कैसे रहा? बढ़िया. God's grace, God's grace. Let us be grateful to our Creator. God's grace, God's grace. Let us be thankful, let us be thankful. O God, you have granted me countless boons. Please grant one boon more, a grateful heart. Grant me one thing more, a grateful heart. Once God granted all blessings to His dear Son. Kept back only one drop in the tumbler. The Son said, "Kind Father, you have granted me everything. I am grateful to you. But why have you kept back one drop?" The all-knowing Father said, "It is called peace of mind. Why have you kept it back, sir?" Because I understand your nature inside out. In the midst of my blessing, you will forget the blessing giver. But I love you. I want to meet you again. This lack of peace of mind will throw you back at my breast and will unite me and you. Therefore I have kept it back, knowing your nature, and sets you in search of peace of mind called God. And the prodigal son returns home. The prodigal son returns home and meets with the merciful Father. Have you enjoyed it?
Yes, yes.
This was inspired just now by your presence. I had not premeditated it, not pre-planned it, but it came from above on account of your vicinity, nearness and presence. It was the gift of your inspiring presence. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. God bless you. If you want to come back to your real self, then be silent. Practice mental silence and physical silence. You will come back to the self. And gradually you will become established in the self, which is the source of all bliss. It is all bliss. Thing is to be oneself.
That is the most effortless.
For everything else, you have to make some effort. To be yourself, no effort is required. You are always yourself, without any effort. I am. For that, no effort is required. You are always you. It is called forever you. Consciousness evaporates and becomes one with the universal consciousness, which is perfection, fulfillment, the end of all search, all thirst, all thirsting ceases. And Raman Maharshi said that is perfection is your home, Hari Home, Hari Home, Hari Om. It evaporates, the mind evaporates. And only existence is experienced. Endless, limitless existence. And then you say, I am that. Tattvamasi, I am that. That I, real I, appears and overshadows everything. Only existence remains, and you are above limitations, unlimitedness. Hari Om. I have 3 doctor friends who look after me: Dr. Diet, Dr. Quiet, and Dr. Merryman.
Thank you.
And an old poem came to my memory after many years. A line from that poem was, "Time, you old gypsy, won't you have a stop?" That was the line of the poem. Time, you old gypsy, won't you ever have a stop?